Hello, I'm Nadine and a very warm welcome. So today we are making caramel custard, creme caramel, caramel pudding, whatever you want to call it. It's totally yummy. And I'm going to make it in the instant pot. So that means it'll be made very quickly. And guess what? I'm going to make it look like a teddy bear. And it is adorable. First step, we are going to make the caramel, which is just sugar and water, and it will turn into a glorious golden amber color. So I have the heat on in the pan. This is a good heavy bottom pan, and I'm just going to brush down the sides so that the sugar doesn't crystallize. And this is just with some water. And now at this point, don't stir it, just let it do its thing. I'm gonna have these dessert recipes and pretty presentation ideas here every week. So please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and like the video. Now with caramel, it's super hot. So as soon as this is done, we have to be ready. I'll have my pan ready and some pot holders so we can put it in the pan. Okay, the caramel is ready. It's a nice amber color. And all you do is just pour it into your pan. Now the pan is ready and we are just going to make the custard. I have 2 cups of milk here and I'm just going to add some sugar and vanilla extract, a teaspoon. And we'll just mix this. We're just slightly warming this. And then we'll add the eggs, and that's literally it. The custard will be ready. It's so easy, but it helps if you heat this slightly because the sugar will dissolve and it will result in a smoother texture rather than just mixing all of this cold. The milk and sugar has warmed up. It's not boiling, just so that the sugar dissolves. And I'm going to add 4 beaten eggs to this. And that's it, you just mix it. And then we are going to strain this mixture into our pan. There you go. It's just enough. You don't want to overfill it, just in case something happens when you're baking it. Now to prepare the pan, we need some foil. I just doubled it up and we're just going to cover it. And make sure you kind of, tightly seal it. Now this will go into the Instant Pot. Now I found this amazing silicone rack or trivet or whatever you want to call it. So we're going to put the pan on this, and this has this great handle which goes on top so you can easily pull it out. So I have 2 cups of boiling water in here, and I'm just going to carefully lower this in. And then we'll just tie the handle. So we will steam low pressure and 12 minutes. Now once this is done, we'll just naturally let it release for 10 minutes. We'll take it out and let it hang out at room temperature for about an hour, and then we will refrigerate it. You have to refrigerate for at least 4 hours. Overnight is best. These have been chilling and they're nice and cold. I made them earlier. So if you're just making one dish, then all you do is you put your serving dish on top and flip it over, and make sure that your serving dish has a little bit of depth so it can catch all the caramel. And but if you want to try this teddy bear design, then we have to flip both of these at the same time. So I'm gonna put the dish on top, and with this you need somebody to help you because you have to hold both the dishes and the top at the same time. So I'm gonna ask my son to help me, who doesn't want to come on camera. And I'll be back. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see what's under it. I've flipped it now. Oh, it's pretty. So they're both out, and what I'll do is I want to sort of smush them together. So I'm just going to cut off a little bit. And bring them together. So the idea is that that's the head of the teddy bear and that's the body. Now we put some fondant decorations on it to make it look more like a teddy bear. So we're gonna put his mouth and nose. How cute is that? And some eyes. Ears. That's it, it's done. How cute is that? You know, this could be perfect for Valentine's Day, or kids would love it. Just do it if you're decorating it, just do it right before you're serving it, because the color can bleed after a little while because of all the caramel. Now I'm going to taste this. Oh my gosh, it's like so silky and smooth. Yummy. I grew up eating this and my grandma used to love it. It's so good and I love the caramel flavor. All the details will be on my website, nadinelli.com. If you make this, please tag me in those pics. I love seeing them on Instagram. And I hope you share this with your loved ones. Remember to subscribe for more recipes like this. Until next